Are you fond of facials? So get medical benefit along with the facials. We are introducing Carboxy facial from Sri Skin and Cosmetology Center. I am Dr. Sudha Vani. Nowadays, medicated facials or medifacials, they have become part and parcel of our skincare routine. So these medifacials, they not only treat your skin, they also give other benefits like glowing and skin texture improvement and skin collagen improvement, etc. We are introducing one more medifacial, that is Carboxy facial, at our Sri Skin and Cosmetology Center. So this Carboxy facial is infusion of carbon dioxide gas into the skin. Thereby it improves oxygen and also blood circulation. So after the treatments, after the session, there will be increased blood flow which gives you the glow. There is improvement in the skin pores, and also whatever laxity of the skin is there because of age, there will be a facelift because it also increases collagen formation. Thereby there is a skin tightening effect. So each session takes 15 to 20 minutes. So instead of spending 1 hour or 1.5 hours for the facials, within 15 to 20 minutes, you can get this Carboxy facial done along with additional benefits at Sri Skin Clinic, Banjara Hills. This Carboxytherapy is without any side effects and there is no downtime. Within 10 to 15 minutes, your face becomes normal and you can see the amazing result after 3 weeks. We have been doing this treatment for quite some time. Doctors, celebrities and women entrepreneurs are preferring this treatment only because this gives a glowing skin and improvement in the texture of the skin, and also it is giving anti-aging benefits.